Alright, let's be very real. Who doesn't need a skincare these days? Whether it be breakout or dry skin or mystery pimple, that I used to get in my teenage. Now I'm old as hell. Says who? But okay, that shows up at the worst time. This domain name gets straight to the point. Needskincare.com. I am really confused why this domain name actually expired. I didn't go in depth much because I wanted to make a video so that if anyone sees this, they might register. So this domain name, to me, it's a gold mine. Okay, it can be a basic domain name to some, but this sticks to the mind. Okay, this really sticks to the mind. So first of all, this name is very catchy and it has that urgency to it, like call to action. It's very direct. It's not just a skincare, it's a need skincare. So you hear it and it instantly clicks. So this will stick to the people mind, as I've always said. And this could be an amazing domain name for a skincare subscription box. I mean, imagine a monthly subscription box for the beauty box kind of thing. Okay, or maybe an online store selling creams, serums and all those natural products, or maybe a blog or a skincare influencer site sharing tips, reviews and routines. This is actually a thing these days. Okay, and apart from that, maybe a platform for the dermats where people can approach them and talk to them about their skin and they can get the products as per their need. And the best part is, this is universal. Everyone from teenagers with acne to anti-aging skincare, everything and everyone can connect to it. So it's not an overcomplicated domain name. There is no weird spelling, just simple and effective branding. That's what I'm going to say. And so from the branding and SEO point of view, this does stand out. Okay, so why? Because the word used over here, need and skincare, are high intent search terms. People Google I need skincare for oily skin or best skincare routine all the time. This domain name could potentially pull natural organic traffic. Now secondly, it is memorable and brandable. Why? Because this is short, this is direct and very easy to spell. So this will stand out. Okay, and thirdly, it's perfect for ads and marketing. Now picture this, a Facebook or an Instagram ad saying need skincare. You've got it covered. Okay, it's built for that instant engagement. So but this is available right now, but I don't know when are you going to see this. But let's say if this is taken or someone registers it and tries to sell it at a very high price, this can be possible. So what you're going to do, you can go for alternates like maybe skincarenow.com, something similar to it, or maybe myglowup.com. I've not seen whether they're available or not. I'm just giving you options. Okay, these types of names are trendy. So if you are serious about launching a skincare brand, these types of domain names are that converts customers. It just doesn't sound good, it is good. Alright, so needskincare.com is a solid domain name, absolutely straightforward, marketable and packed with potential. If you are in the beauty industry, this can be a great digital real estate asset for you. But hey, choosing the right domain name isn't just about how cool it looks, it's about the strategy, value and long-term impact. That's where I come. If you need any help in picking the domain name for yourself at the right price, you need to talk to me. You can book my consultations on my website. I hope this adds some value to you. If it does, you gotta tell me. Bye.